Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Doing things just a little bit differently today. Kind of just wanted to do I should say try my hand at some makeup therapy. And honestly, I've seen a few videos like this and I really enjoy them, and I'm positive that I'm not the only one that enjoys these types of videos. You know, there are so many things and factors that we as a universal community we're going through, and I have been wanting to record a video but not wanting to, and kind of like in that awkward space where I'm not in the mood to put stuff out. And this is where I'm at, and I hope that you guys can appreciate it and leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. As you can see, my skin is dry. I'm flaking right here, but that's okay because life isn't perfect and no one is perfect. And I think the more that we break out of the box that people try to put us in, or the boxes that we try to put people in, we will find freedom within ourselves and freedom within others. And with that freedom comes a proud sense of vulnerability, I think, where you're okay with, you know, your scars being showed. You're okay with not face tuning something out. So once again, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I probably will not do a lot of talking, but it's just, we're chilling, we're vibing. I'm on my living room floor and my couch is behind me, so it is what it is. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get started.